How to restore your locked Facebook Marketplace. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Facebook application from your device and get logged into your Facebook account. Tap onto your menu page from your top right. Now, in order to restore your Facebook Marketplace, you have to tap on Help and Support. As you do so, tap on Report a Problem. Then tap on OK. The only way you can fix your marketplace not working problem is by sending a report on Facebook. So let's go ahead and do that. Under this page, you will see the option of Marketplace. This is a Facebook Help Center. You can easily access it if you just tap on the Help Center from your settings page. Let's go ahead and tap on Marketplace. Now in here, you have to tap on No for Was This Helpful? Then tap on Other. And just like so, now you have to type in your issue. Mention that you are not being able to access your Facebook Marketplace and apologize for any terms and conditions violation. If you have not done any mistake, just mention what went wrong. Once done, you have to tap on Submit. You have to wait for the Facebook to send you an email and fix your problem. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, stay updated.